Good morning, pentas, kings and queens. So how are you guys today? Here in Kota Baru, we had a long weekend because of the Awal Muharram, and today we were very excited to receive a parcel from one of our friends, Sir Edward Young of BirdBird Project. So, if you can see here, this is a parcel from Sir Edward Young of BirdBird Project. Thank you so much, Sir Edward Young. And inside this parcel, we have a pair of t-shirt from his project. So I would like to do a brief unboxing video to show all of you what is inside this box. At the outer side of the box, we have a sticker from BirdBird Project. It is very nice, a reminiscent or a tribute to the Ultraman project, if I remember correctly. And let's look what we have inside the parcel box. Okay, we have one shirt of black color inside a very nice plastic bag with the BirdBird Project logo. And we also have a hard card, which is the BirdBird Project Keep It Together Always, or KITA. And it says that the BirdBird Project represents bringing up people, personal growth, and a beautiful NFT journey. In the spirit of Kita, which is keep it together always, it means we in the Malay language. We strive to build our community heart by heart while expanding with partner projects to bring greater perks to the community. We don't know where it will lead to. We know it will be a beautiful place when we arrive. Thank you for being on this BirdBird journey with us. It is a very nice card with BirdBird artwork, and this is the front of the card. And together with this amazing packaging, you see, as I mentioned to you previously, Edward Young really made this delivery excellent. He packaged, or he packed the shirt inside a customized plastic pouch with the BirdBird logo, and inside the bag we also have one complimentary sticker from BirdBird Project. Thank you so much, Sir Edward Young. And this is the best part of the delivery, which is we all gonna make it shirt, which is classy, really screams BirdBird Project, devastatingly handsome as well. As you can see here, it has here what we call tube, and this tube inside the neck of the shirt is customized with BirdBird logo in blue font on the white background. This is a really thoughtful and personal touch for this t-shirt. And here we also have the logo of BirdBird. It says 100% cotton, and this is the F size, which means it is a free size. And let's see at the left of the shirt, we also have the BirdBird logo stitched on the shirt, and this is another thoughtful touch to the t-shirt. And here, as I have shown to you, the WAGMI logo for the t-shirt, and inside the WAGMI logo we have the artwork from BirdBird Project. And here, finally, at the back of the t-shirt, we also have trust the process, and also the QR code, which I believe it will lead to the BirdBird NFT collection at Pentas.io. But I will check again to confirm what is the QR code all about. So allow me to try on this t-shirt, and let's see if it fits well to me. Okay, very nice. It is F size. So as we know nowadays, it is a trend to wear an oversized shirt. H&M, Uniqlo, as well as BirdBird Project also comes in oversized cutting for the shirt. So I think that's all for now. Thank you again, Sir Edward Young, for the delivery of WAGMI shirt from BirdBird Project. We wish you all the best and see you again. Mana-mana Edward Young, BirdBird Project to the moon.